Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the Beanstalk event on Grow a Garden. So if you go here, right now Jack is looking for prickly plants. Now, prickly plants, there's a lot in this category. Cactus, dragon fruit is also included. I think durian is also included. Pineapple, prickle fruit, prickle pear. I forgot what it was called. I don't have it in stock right now. Okay, it's Pricklefruit. And if you want like a guide on what fruits are categorized in that, I'll hopefully put it in the link, and I'll put like a description of it. Hopefully I can manage to type everything. But basically you're just going to want to get the fruits. For instance, gosh, it's so hard to find the like dragon fruit one. Okay, I'm just going to collect some dragon fruits here, and then you're just going to go to the area, and instead of giving it one by one, you can just tag and then select feed all my plants to the beanstalk, and it's going to get all of your prickly fruits from your inventory. As you can see, I got it from summoning my dragon fruits. But yeah, that is basically it really. Again, there's a bunch of plants in that category. So I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.